Dear students, welcome back to the topic of states of matter. Here you will going to learn about the difference between the real gas versus ideal gas. First difference, a real gas is a gaseous compound that really exists in the environment. But an ideal gas is a hypothetical gas that does not really exist in the environment. Ideal gas are the imaginary gases. Then the real gases may not obey the Raoult's law. They did not obey the Raoult's law, otherwise they didn't obey the gas laws at ordinary temperature and the pressure. But ideal gas can obey the gas laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro law. Real gas may obey the they do not obey the ideal gas equation. Means real gas PV is not equal to nRT. But in case of the ideal gas, this obeys the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. And second, there are intermolecular attraction forces between the real gas particles. In case of ideal gas, they are the imaginary gases. They are ideal one. So there are no intermolecular attraction forces between the ideal gas particles. Third difference, the particles have a definite volume and a definite mass because there is a presence of the intermolecular forces between the real gas particles. But in case of ideal gas, the particles do not have a definite volume and a mass. And fourth difference, the collision between the real gas molecules are the non-elastic because in the real gases, the collisions before the collisions and the after collisions remains the same. There is no loss of the kinetic energy during the collisions. There the loss of the kinetic energy in case of the real gases, but in case of the ideal gas, the collision between the ideal gas molecules are the elastic. Means there is no loss of the kinetic energy during the collision in case of the ideal gas. They are saying elastic collisions. Why the ideal gas shows the elastic collisions? Whenever the molecules will be hit on one another, they collide on one another, the kinetic energy of the molecules goes on increases. But the molecules remains constant in the sense the kinetic energy do not change. Means there is no loss of the kinetic energy during the collision. That collision is called as the elastic collision. That happened in case of the ideal gas. But in case of real gas, collision between the gas molecules are the non-elastic. Means there is in between them the kinetic energy of the molecules do not lose. Means there is no loss of the kinetic energy. In case of the real gases, there is a loss of the kinetic energy because they have the molecular interaction, they collide with each other. Then fifth one, the kinetic energy of the real gas particle is changed with the collisions because they can hit with the wall of the container also. They can move randomly along the possible directions whenever you increases temperature. Then the kinetic energy of the molecules goes on increases with the collisions. Then in case of the ideal gas, the kinetic energy of the ideal gas particle remains constant. Because they are the imaginary, there is no intermolecular forces of attraction between the ideal gas. So the kinetic energy of the ideal gas particle is constant there. And sixth point, the sixth difference. In case of a real gas, the real gas may behave as an ideal gas. When the real gas may behave as an ideal gas, the condition of at a low pressure and the high temperature conditions, they behave ideally. Then in case of the ideal gas, an ideal gas may behave like a real gas at the high pressure and the low temperature conditions. See here, the container containing the real gases, whenever we giving the heat to them, they will be converted into ideal gas because by giving the high temperature conditions, all the gas will be escapes out. They will come to the state of the imaginary. So the ideal gas, they may behave, means the real gas may convert into ideal gas at the high temperature and the low pressure conditions. But in case of the ideal gas, an ideal gas may behave like a real gas. at a high pressure and the low temperature conditions. While decreasing the temperature is less in the sense the real gas at a high pressure and the low temperature conditions, they may behave real gases. So ideal gas may behave real gases. In the sense, mainly the real gas that do not obey the gas law, that is PV is not equal to nRT. But in case of ideal gas, this ideal gas obeys the gas laws, Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro law. In this, the PV is equal to nRT. So these are the difference between the real gas and the ideal gas. This is very important for the 3 mark questions. Otherwise, they may ask for the 2 mark also.